Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick inspection on my clutch plates. This is an EXC 500. It's a 2017. I have 197 hours on this clutch. It's the clutch that came with the bike, bought it new, and I don't remember the mileage on it. I'm looking at about 2,000 miles, right around there. So 200 hours, 2,000 miles. So I'm going to rip into this pretty quick, do a clutch plate measurement, and we'll see where we're sitting. I've loosened up all these bolts already, just to speed up the process. Really no need to be concerned with your bolt sizes. There's only two sizes there, so it's pretty easy to figure out when you go to put it back together. Got O-ring gasket on here, more like a press in place. O-ring sits down in the groove. And then here's your clutch basket, Belleville washer. Take a look and note, we have settings 1, 2, and 3. KTM sets these up on number 2 from the factory, and right away a good thing to do is check to see that your Belleville washer is flat and not bowed up or down. That'll be a good indicator on your clutch plate thickness. So let's pop these loose. And we'll zip them out of there. Again, like I mentioned before, bring this up into the camera a little better. There we can see our 1, 2, and 3 position. That coincides with thicknesses on the back of this plate for help setting the flatness of your Belleville washer. So we'll set this aside. Take a quick look at this. Everything's looking good there. Next, pull this one off. So when you pull that off, you'll notice here's your bearing, and then typically you end up with a clutch plate that sticks here. That one looks like new. So set that aside. Grab the calipers. Okay. thing's a little sticky. Check that first one. $199, 2. So you want to make sure that your fiber plates are 1.9, 1.95 or greater. So we're at 199 there. Another big thing that we're looking for is any sign of heat. Any sign of heat on these plates. That one looks nice. $197. That one looks like new yet. Really nice. $197. No sign of heat in this at all. It's a really good sign. $198. So I'm just going to pause the video as I continue through these. So I've started the reassembly process. Back on here, so start continue dropping our plates back in. Just make sure all your dowel pins are seated properly. Make sure that your steel plates are going back in the same order, same direction. For the mileage on this bike and the time, I was surprised to not find any sign of heat on my steel plates, and all of my fiber plates checked well within spec. So that's a great sign. Make sure everything's lined up properly in there. There we go. Get my washer back in place. Be very sure that you've got this darker colored washer back in there. They typically stay, so you don't need to be too concerned with that. If you're not taking it out, it should sit there. We'll line up the retainer plate in the same position that it was. go. Then I'm just going to snug them down. So a half turn or a full turn once they start making contact. We're just going to bring these to the point where we feel tension. Then we'll get the torque wrench out. There, I felt that one hit. That hit. That one's down. It's down. That one's down. That one's down. Now, you're going to set your torque wrench at 6 Newton meters. We'll do a cross pattern with these. I'm going to hit them one more time, just make sure I didn't miss one. Okay, we're good there. Now, make sure that our gasket surface is clean. Let's take this here and make sure we're good, clean. Get our spring hooked. I'm going to set that back on there like so. Our longer bolts goes in the top. Longer bolt near the spring. The rest of them are our short bolts. Center everything. Use our cross pattern. Then we're going to take this up to 10 Newton meters. 7, 8, 9, 10 Newton meters. That one didn't quite click yet, but that's a long one. There we go. Okay, I'm going to double check everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Clutch inspection's done. Everything's in spec, everything's torqued, and we're ready to ride.